Extremely difficult. We played against one of the best teams on the continent. They finished the World Cup qualifiers without losing a single game, and so we knew that a tough header where we needed to fight hard, work hard, stay disciplined, still stay well composed to be able to win. Unfortunately, we played on to the 83rd minute and lost the game by 1 goal to 0. But there are positives to pick from the game. I'm sure that when you look at the general output of the team, it wasn't that bad. We need to build on it. The coach has held a meeting with the players, and they know what is expected of them in the next game against Gabon. And that is what we have started working towards.
He's expected to join.
We are expecting Kudus this week. We've held fruitful discussions with Ajax, and we're expecting him this week. Hopefully when he comes, he will integrate with the team, and then we can continue our preparation.
And wrap up with what will be the itinerary from now till?
We will train tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon is free, and then on Thursday we will train in the evening, and then Friday we will play again.
Thank you.
You can go.
We saw less than the 27 players.
Let's pause for them.
Then Yanko.
Don't give me
And we saw less than the 27 players in the camp here for the training session. Any explanation?
The coach decided to rest the players who took part in yesterday's game, and train with players who did not participate in the game against Morocco. So we realized that even those who were on the substitute bench had to train today, including those who did not make an appearance at all. So the likes of Partey, Andre Ayew, Jordan, and all the other players who played the game against Morocco were rested, and hopefully they will be back to full training tomorrow.
Any updates on